Guys, dahil mainit ang panahon ngayon, ito, magda-diving kami nito. Ito itong makulit na to kasi mainit ang panahon ngayon. Go diving because too hot.
Very hot. But underwater have to move like a cool one. The beer.
Ito yung bang ba?
Malew?
Not with you.
Very handsome Malew.
Not my happy man.
Lucky man.
Happy.
Muro na. Ay, cleaning.
Pump like a pump. Like pump, you know.
Yeah.
Automatic. Main one.
Misay songkran.
Main one pump. Oh, now you can use for
Hot.
can use to like a
Hot because
you can do
Ay.
a bucket pipi.
Yan o, boss Superman. Suot ko na yung binigay mo sa akin. Panalo. Sa pulsa ka pagtaklob sa init. Ayun yung kasama ko yung dalawa. Yan. Yung nakahubad at saka nakapink. Yan. Kailangan doon naman makakita ngayon ng horse. Yan o.